Hey traders, John Howell here, officialjohnhowell.com. In this video, we're going to look at the Russell Index, so let's get straight into it. Alright traders, anything I do say in this video is general advice only, meaning do not take a trade based on what I'm telling you today, because the market is hella volatility and hella risky. Right? Make sure you're intelligent about the trading decisions you make. Moving forward, let's get straight into this. Looking on the daily, this is the daily chart right now, and if I squeeze this up and take everything off the screen, you can see what type of day we had today. We had a little update today on the Russell, and then suddenly you can see it just came straight back down. Now the interesting thing about the Russell is this. Firstly, if I bring all the trend lines up, you can actually see that there's this little level of support through here. And plus we also have this channel coming down through. See this bit of a channel here? So we're actually in a bit of a channel now, and we're now going down, and we're also getting close to this sort of support line. Now, but if I take everything off the screen now and squeeze it up, you can actually see that if we go to, say, we go to the daily chart, we can actually see we're actually forming lower peaks and lower troughs on the Russell, right? So this is very, very weak. We're now forming lower peaks and lower troughs on the Russell. Doing the same thing on the Dow Jones and not on the S&P yet, but I'm pretty sure on the Nasdaq as well too. Now, we are forming lower peaks and lower troughs on the Russell. That simply means, guys, that we are likely to see more downward movement. Who's in control? Sellers are in control, okay? Sellers are in control right now. And we're at a level of support, and it's, you know, the market is very, very weak, guys. Very, very weak. So I would not be too surprised if we see a lot more downward movement coming in from, you know, from the Russell and also all the other indices. And so if we bring up the other trend lines here, we can see here, if we start the break, then you know, then I would say we're likely to break them. And if we do break, especially this support line through here, then I would say we're likely to get down to this bottom trend line here, which is like down here are these low levels down the bottom here. You know, we have probably a decent, you know, 3 to 4% drop in the Nasdaq, or sorry, in the Russell, should I say, before it starts to hit some major support levels. So that's where I'm at right now, guys. That's what I'm seeing right now on the markets. It's you know, the markets are very volatile, guys, but just be intelligent about the way that you trade the markets, and obviously be safe. If you'd like to learn more information about how I trade the markets, and I'm giving out a free course, click the image up the top here. You can get it for free. John Howell here. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.